The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a practical and robust transportation solution that offers a unique blend of comfort, performance, and versatility. Available in 3 power configurations, 500W, 800W, and 1200W, this scooter is designed for both urban commuters and adventurous riders who enjoy off-road terrains. With its sizable 20-inch tires, the Caroma Peak promises a smooth ride, regardless of the surface. From the moment you unbox the Caroma Peak, you can tell that this scooter has been built with quality and durability in mind. The frame is constructed from sturdy aluminum, which not only makes it lightweight but also ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The assembly process is relatively simple, with clear instructions that make it easy for anyone to put together without the need for specialized tools. One of the standout features of this electric scooter is its spacious seat. Unlike many scooters that prioritize a compact design over comfort, the Caroma Peak offers a seat that is both plush and well-cushioned. The ergonomic design allows you to ride for extended periods without discomfort, making it a fantastic option for longer commutes or leisurely rides through the park. The option to ride seated or standing adds a layer of versatility that many other scooters lack. When it comes to performance, the Caroma Peak excels in various conditions. The 20-inch off-road tires are a game-changer. They provide excellent traction and shock absorption, making it easy to navigate tough terrains like gravel paths, grassy areas, and even uneven city streets. Whether you are commuting to work or taking a weekend adventure, these tires significantly enhance the scooter's ability to tackle different environments. The scooter's range is another impressive aspect. Depending on the model you choose, you can expect ranges of 15, 25, or even 30 miles on a full charge. This makes the Caroma Peak ideal for those who need reliable transportation for daily commutes, as it can easily handle a round trip without needing to recharge. The battery life is commendable, and the ability to recharge in a few hours means you won't have to worry about lengthy downtimes. On a practical note, the Caroma Peak features a user-friendly digital display that keeps you informed about speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This information is invaluable for planning your journeys and ensuring you don't get caught out with a depleted battery. Additionally, the scooter includes front and rear lights, which enhance visibility during nighttime rides, making it safer to navigate through poorly lit areas. The speed of the Caroma Peak is another highlight, especially with the higher power configurations. The 1200W model can reach impressive speeds, making it suitable for those who may want a quick ride to their destination. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, allowing you to confidently merge into traffic or navigate busy streets. The ability to switch between different speed modes caters to various skill levels and riding preferences, which is a thoughtful feature for beginner riders or those looking for a more leisurely pace. Safety features have also been prioritized in the Caroma Peak design. The scooter is equipped with a dual braking system, incorporating both a disc brake and an electronic brake, which provides effective stopping power. This is particularly important when riding at higher speeds or on downhill slopes. The addition of a horn and reflectors further ensures that you are noticeable to other road users, enhancing your safety. However, the Caroma Peak is not without its drawbacks. While the weight capacity is respectable, heavier riders might find the upper limits to be restrictive. Additionally, while the assembly is straightforward, some users may struggle with the final adjustments if they aren't familiar with electric scooters. In conclusion, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter stands out as a well-rounded option for anyone in the market for a reliable, comfortable, and capable electric scooter. Its combination of a comfortable seat, large off-road tires, impressive range, and robust build quality make it a versatile choice for both casual riders and commuters alike. While there are a few minor issues to consider, the overall package offers excellent value for